Wait, no, pretend that you're recording something. I need this for... I'm making a door for us right now. Just start talking. I am building a door for us instead of those little flappy things. In there recording something. I can't record something. I can't make any noise. Can't even like move around. Like obviously I can't run power tools even if we had a door. But it's also not fair to me that I can't record something, me talking, while he needs to be recording something as well. The sound deadening that we're gonna make out of these doors is and the insulation in the wall should allow us to both be able to talk. So, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn bifold doors from a closet into a door, which is something that you could slap in there and then use temporarily. You don't have a custom fit door for that frame, so we're going to use this. These came off of a closet, so this one still has a door handle on it. Take that off. Save that for some other time. One definitely can't be reused. We need the door to be 73, let's just make it 73¼ high by square. So with that line, I'm just lining this up to the edge of the wood. I'm trying to use it like a speed square where the edge is over here. Draw myself a line across. I can see that. You guys might not be able to. Draw myself a line across. Circular saw, safety glasses. Almost a straight cut. That is a straight cut. Notice this is a hollow core door, which means it's not solid. So you got a crappy veneer-ish plywood there, and then cardboard on the inside. A small strip of solid wood here, a small strip of solid wood there. And then if we come back to the piece we just cut off, a small piece of solid wood at the bottom and the top of the door. Ideally, you would replace that to give this thing strength, but since this is just a temporary crappy door, I'm not going to do that. But if you were resizing a door so that it fit, you would pop this piece out of the veneer and stick it in here, or you would cut another piece to go in there and then glue or brad nail it into the bottom of the door, and then your door would be resized. I'm not going to do that because, like I said, it's just going in here. That'll either be the top or the bottom of the door. It's just temporary until we can get another door that'll work. I'm going to cut the other one, screw it to board this, and then put hinges on it. It's not even going to have a proper door jamb. Another reason that I did not make it closer, I made it a whole inch shorter than that door frame, is because if you look way over there, there's carpet on his side that is it's pretty thick. So 29¼ is what we need to add to this big boy right here. So whatever. Let me just. Right now we're at 17½. 29¼ minus 17½ should be 11¾ is what we need to rip that other board to. There we go. Quick look so that you guys can see that there is a red line all the way down the board. Absolutely. So if we put the two of these together, one still has both edges on it. That'll just become the middle. I'd say I made it fairly straight. There's only like a almost 1/8 gap, like 3/32 going on right there. That's pretty good. The other thing, now that we've got the door to the size it needs to be, we need to add some braces to attach them, because I'm not just gluing that together and I'm not sticking another piece in there and blah blah blah. Should fit on here. I'm going to use the longest one that goes and spreads the whole distance. Okay, so I'm going to be using miter bond for this, cyanacrylate glue. You don't want this stuff on your hands either, and get ready to grab the other piece and slap it on. Don't have very long, and I'm going to let it dry a little bit before I start flexing the door to put these other ones on. I put another piece on with the glue, and I'm realizing that I don't actually have enough pieces to hold this thing together. So off the bottom, what can it be? Well, I've got this thin piece of veneer on this door skin, so I started prying it apart from the hollow side on the long one and breaking all the cardboard pieces off. Ripped the top end off, and we'll just get it to there. Pop it right off, get rid of this thing. We don't need that. There we go. With the activator. But I'd probably end up using an entire bottle, and that turns this free door into a $10 door. Instead of doing that, glue this bad boy on here. Getting lots of glue on there because this is plywood. It'll just soak it right up. If you're doing fine cabinetry, that you should smear the glue so that it adheres everywhere, and you should glue both sides, but I don't really give a for this thing. So we're just gonna take this and line it up with the halfway point down there. Glue's dropping and we're dropping. There we go. If you have a stapler, like one of the ka-chow, 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 I don't know where mine is, you could just staple this on, and then that'll hold until the glue is dry. I don't have that. What I do have is tuck tape. It is a Canadian vapor barrier tape. You'd use this for poly. I use it for everything. It's like duct tape, but stickier, minus red and crap on the inside. So you can't really rip this with your bare hands. Could even go and take my other piece that's still full length and flip this over, just like this. Flip her over. And I'm not entirely sure where that ended off, but it'll still be a big old sheet of plywood. Now I'm breaking shit. I don't even mean to. Beautiful. Glue. Beep. And pull the flip. Want to make sure we got contact everywhere. Wow, look at all the clamping force. That's gonna hold all of this together for sure. Will it hold its own weight? Yes, it will. All right, trying to be the king of using what I got here. These are the only hinges I have. I'm only gonna use these 3 holes and these 2 holes, and that'll stick over. Got 4 of them, so we'll use 4. Why not? Are you looking at this, guys? The center of this is going to be on the center of that. So I'm going to grab my drill and some screws, and we're going to just... Yep. Pain in the... That's perfect. Now I'll do the rest. The exact same as the one you just saw. 1, 2, 3, 4, done. I'm so tempted to do it right now. And then this video is done, and all I have to do is edit it. Hold on. If it's not 9 o'clock yet, we're gonna do it. Boys and girls, it's 20 after 8. Let's do it. I'm mirror, and you can see behind me and in front of me. Oh, look at me go. It's good enough blade. And ta-da. Wow. That really makes a difference without those on there. Okay, so I'm gonna bring the camera in there, and it's just... Oh yeah, my pants are tight enough to hang that off the pocket. These are the work pants my dad got me for Christmas, because I said, I don't have work pants. That'd be cool if you could get me some. Just fits. Just fits. So we need to plexiglass, a number of them. I don't know how many we're gonna need, but we're gonna set the door on top of those. Yeah, you're not gonna be able to see anything when we come in here because Ben has 1 light bulb. The best I can do. Alright, and we've got a door. And she pretty well just stops right where it's supposed to. There needs to be a door stop though. So I'm just gonna... It'd be helpful if I had Ben in here so he could close it so it was flush so I could put a door stop on. But for right now, guess what the door stop's gonna be? It's gonna be some screws. So actually, I'm going to put a screw in the door so that I can pull the door. So I can pull the door shut. Right about there. Top door stop, and I'm not even going to put one on the bottom. I should, but I don't really want somebody catching themselves on it, so until I have a piece of wood to put on there, I'm going to be happy with how that turned out. Like, honestly, for taking 2 bifold doors that were a piece of crap that came off of my closet that when I was a kid, I think I threw something at it and it broke, There's like this circle hole. We're taking that, throwing this together, getting rid of some stuff that's pretty well garbage that was never going to go back up on the closet, reusing it, something that we needed. And now I'm just going to cover it in soundproofing foam because, well, make it soundproof. Probably be a cool accent. I kind of like the tuck tape vibe that's coming off of it because we got tuck tape elsewhere in this room. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Ignore my hair. I haven't showered yet today. That's the last thing I'm doing, and then I'm going to bed. Thank you for watching this. I hope that maybe it was entertaining to you guys because I really didn't show you much other than how to hack something together. That's all it needed to be, so that's what it was. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you watching this video, and I want to give a huge thank you to my Patreon supporters for supporting me and allowing me to keep creating these videos. And that goes towards helping fund things like the materials that I use and the tools that I have, because when you think about all of those and this and the materials and the glue, it really adds up, and any help is really appreciated. So thank you to all of my Patreon supporters, especially the top tier Patreon supporters, Randy, Robinbird, and Mike Maxwell. You guys are awesome. If anyone else wants to help support the things that I do, things that I create, Patreon's probably the best way to do so, and I'll leave a card up in the top right corner of the screen. That's going to be it for this one, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you already subscribed, please share this video with a friend. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. See you guys all next time. Peace out.